Hello, 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 my travel partners, and welcome back to Angel Travel Channel. I am so happy that you decided to join me today. How are you? So today I am going to be talking to you about my recent visit to Hard Rock Hotel. I went there to stay in the hotel at Seminole Hard Rock in Tampa so that I could provide a more meaningful, specific review. So let's get into it. So I get invited to stay at the Hard Rock. I think it's monthly that I get the invites. I can't remember. I really don't check it, but I get that invites off a lot. And it's usually 2 complimentary nights. And the reason why I receive this, it is because I am signed up for their wild card. So whenever I play in the casino or not play, because sometimes I don't even play, and they still send me the offer. In the past, I have stayed at the partner hotels in Tampa. So I've stayed at the Hilton down there, the Marriott properties, the Starwood properties, the La Quinta and Comfort Suite. I can't remember who's their mother company. However, this time I wanted to stay at the Hard Rock itself. My overall impression of the hotel, apart from the casino itself, is it was an excellent stay. I must say that I am truly grateful and impressed with how vigilant they are with their cleaning process. Okay, so far I find it to be very nice in here. It's extremely clean. So I arrived about I'd say about 30 minutes ago, and the check-in process was really easy. What I did was I got a non-smoking room, and this room that I got, it is a comp room, and this is because I use my wild card to get this room. This is my first time staying at this Hard Rock hotel, and so far I am extremely pleased with what I see. This is the countertop in the bathroom. I brought my own diffuser. It's just something that I like to add to my hotel stays because it just feels a little bit more homey. This is one of the this is one of the benefits of staying in a higher class hotels is that they always supply you with a bathrobe. And I do like having a bathrobe when I go to a hotel because it just makes for a better bath experience. It really does. They are doing an excellent job of cleaning, and to have not been in there before. And I am someone who, when I walk into a place that is dirty, because I have really bad allergy and respiratory issues, my lungs automatically pick up on it. I am setting up a bath in here, and I like to put a little bit of essential oil. And this is all of the testing process. There is no reason to go ahead and do a testing of a hotel without actually testing its amenities. And so this particular room has a bathtub, and as you can see, they have the nameplate right there, the Hard Rock right there. And so I'm going to put a little bit of essential oil. This is peppermint, and this they have where you can make a phone call, and just extra little taste. And as you can see, everything is nice and clean. And this is what you want to see when you go into a bathroom, a hotel bathroom. You want to see everything nice and clean. See? Look, everything is nice and clean. That's the bench up there. Everything is nice and clean. It's nice and clean. Over here, it tells you what the safety and security is. You are safe. So you can put all that money that you win from the casino in there. Nice ironing board. I like these hair bracelets for the time. It's nice and simple. And this is the type of coffee that they offer here. I had a great experience. It truly was a great experience. The room was very nice and clean. I checked out everything. The bathroom was clean. The bed was clean. Pillowcases were clean. Everything in the room was clean. I like that they had enough towels in there. They had enough of everything that I would need for my stay overnight. I also was happy with the responsiveness and professionalism of housekeeping. The interaction was a very positive one, I must say. Tip though, and this is just an observation, and it really has nothing to do with the hotel, but this has more to do with you as a guest when choosing where to stay and what to ask for. If you need your rest, try not to get, or try to let them know you do not want to be placed in any rooms that have adjoining doors. And I say this, the problem with that is if your neighbors are noisy, then you are going to be hearing your neighbors all night. And what I ran into is that my neighbors, they had children, and God bless them. I know they haven't been anywhere for I know these kids have not been anywhere for a long time, so they're just happy to be out of their house. So I didn't even do anything about it. I just kind of just wait until sleep came. But they were up all night. When I say all night, I mean all night. I did not fall asleep until after 4 a.m. and they were still up. When I got up after 7, I did not hear them. So I don't know if they checked out or if they just finally went to sleep. That there is my tip for booking when you go to ask for your accommodations and amenities and preferences. I also want to point out that due to the fact that Hard Rock is a hotel that caters to smokers and also to pets, that you want to make sure that you indicate to them, I would prefer a non-smoking room. So that way you're not being defaulted to a smoking room. And when you book, just always try to book for the best available. So there you have it. Again, please do not forget to like and subscribe and share the information.